In this video, let's learn about representation of expressions. Representation of representation of expressions. Here, there are two forms of Boolean expressions. Two forms of Boolean expressions are: one is sum of products form. It's also called SOP. And second one, product of sums form, that is POS. Okay, here now let's understand what is SOP and what is POS. Okay, see, sum of products. Here you know that AND gate symbol, this is Boolean expression of AND gate. This is A plus B, this is OR gate. This is nothing but sum, this is nothing but AND, this is AND OR. Okay, sum of products. Okay, here sum of products. Now you know that here I will take it as this one, first sum of products. Here AB, I will take three variable, or BC, I will take it as AC, I will take it as BC. These are the product. Okay, these are the products. What we are doing, we are ORing these functions. Sum of products. Okay, sum of products. Okay, here a product of two or more variables in Boolean algebra is the AND function, and a sum is OR function. This is OR function, this is AND function. Sum of products. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ SOP ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ some examples. Take it as A B bar C plus D E F, and one more examples, A plus BD or CD plus AC. I could take it as R ABC plus BC bar A, like this. These are the some examples of sum of products. Next, let's understand what is products of sums. Product of sum form. Okay, product of sums form, or we call it as POS. In shortly we call it as POS. Okay, I will delete this one. Now product of sum, product of sums POS form. Here the product of sums form is the dual of sum of products in terms of logic function. It is two or more functions ANDed together. It can also contain term with a single variable. Product of sums, here you know that this is, I will take it as three variable A plus B. Okay, next, or I will take it as A plus C or B plus C. Okay, see, these are the products, sorry, these are the sums. Okay, these are the sums. What we are doing, we are multiplying this, we are multiplying. These are the sums. Okay, this is product of sums, product of sums. Or I will take it as one more example, A plus B bar plus C. Okay, A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Okay, next I will take as one more, A plus D B plus C, and one more example, B plus C, sorry, B plus C, A plus C. Okay, these are the examples of product of sums. Okay, now let's understand, simplification of simplification of logic expressions using Boolean algebra. Here, simplification of logic expressions using Boolean algebra. Okay, to simplify the logic expressions using Boolean algebra, you should know the rules. ಈ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆ, I will write the rules. Okay, here it's also I am referring Shashidhar book also, K. Shashidhar, and also I am referring Vital Kumar K. Vagga and Panduranga HT. Okay, for digital electronics one subject, you can refer these books also. So here, loss of Boolean algebra. You should know these rules, then only we can simplify the Boolean expressions. We should know these rules, very very important. ಈ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. Here, commutative law. First one is, I will take it as commutative law is equal to commutative law of addition. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Next, commutative law of multiplication. Commutative law of multiplication is equal to A dot B is equal to B dot A. Next, associative law of addition. Associative law of addition is equal to A plus open bracket B plus B plus C is equal to A plus B close the bracket open bracket. Next, sorry, okay, plus C. Okay, next, associative law of multiplication. A open bracket BC is equal to A B C. Next, distributive law. Distributive law, A open bracket B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Okay, these are laws of Boolean algebra, and also and we have some rules also. Okay, these are the laws of Boolean algebra. Then now I will write the rules of Boolean algebra. This is B plus C. Okay, next, rules of Boolean algebra. Okay, very very important. First rule, I will take it as rule number 1. A plus 0 is equal to A. Rule number 2, A plus 1 is equal to 1. Rule number 3, A dot 0 is equal to 0. Rule number 4, A dot 1 is equal to A. See, these are I am writing, okay, in order 1 2 3 4, but you should know these rules. Okay, A dot 0 is equal to 0, A dot 1 is equal to A. Next, rule number 5, A plus A is equal to A. Rule number 6, A plus A bar is equal to 1. Next, rule number 7, A dot A is equal to A. Next, 8, A dot A bar is equal to 0. Next, rule number 9, A double bar is equal to A. We have already used some of rules in like in designing basic gates using NOR and NAND gates. Okay, next, rule number 10, A plus AB is equal to A plus B. sorry, a plus ab is equal to a. Next 11, a plus ab is equal to a plus b. Rule number 12, a plus b, a plus c is equal to a plus bc. Next, very important, last, De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorem, very important. First theorem, here is equal to a plus b whole bar is equal to a bar dot b bar. Next, second theorem, a dot bar is equal to a bar dot plus b bar, a bar plus b bar. First theorem, a plus b whole bar is equal to a bar dot b bar. Next, second theorem, ab whole bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. Okay, in the next video, let's take some examples. Okay, let's take some examples and simplify those logic expression. Okay. Okay, thanks for your time. Okay, see, please go through these rules of Boolean algebra, and without seeing the book you should know these rules. Okay, please ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಟು ಬಯಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆವಾಗ ನೀವು ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.